Let's practice this phrase together with some common examples.
I get it means that you understand something clearly after thinking about it or hearing an explanation. It's used when an idea, reason, situation, or point of view finally makes sense to you. But it's important to know what I get it does not mean. I agree with you completely. I like this. I will do what you say. It means I understand what you mean. I see your point. I understand the reason or situation now. Sometimes it can sound like agreement because understanding often comes with empathy, but understanding and agreeing are not the same thing. I get it wrong means you understand something incorrectly or make a mistake about it. It's used when your idea, answer, or understanding is not correct. It does not mean you don't understand at all. It means you understood it, but in the wrong way.
I get it. I'm stressed out too.
I get it. I'm stressed out too.
I get it. I know what you're saying.
I get it. I know what you're saying.
I hear ya. I get it.
I hear you. I get it.
Believe me, I get it.
Believe me, I get it.
Trust me, I get it.
Trust me, I get it.
Oh, I get it now.
Oh, I get it now.
But yeah, I get it.
But yeah, I get it.
So, I get it.
So, I get it.
Oh, I get it. Okay.
Oh, I get it. Okay.
Let me make sure I get it right.
Let me make sure I get it right.
Just to make sure I get it right.
Just to make sure I get it right.
Did I get it right?
Did I get it right?
If I got it wrong, let me know.
If I got it wrong, let me know.
Yeah, I get it.
Yeah, I get it.
Okay, I get it.
Okay, I get it.
I get it. I get it.
I get it. I get it.
I get it if you don't want to talk.
I get it if you don't want to talk.
I usually get it wrong.
I usually get it wrong.
If I get it wrong, please correct me.
If I get it wrong, please correct me.
Correct me if I get it wrong.
Correct me if I get it wrong.
Let me know if I got it wrong.
Let me know if I got it wrong.
You did amazing today. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you'll sound. See you next time.